Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today on this video tutorial, I'm going to show you that how to edit the caption if you've posted a video on TikTok. So basically when you post a video on TikTok, then what happens is you can't edit the caption, or you can't make changes to the caption once it's posted. So how to get over that? So let's suppose here is my TikTok, and I'm going to, on my profile, and I would select this video, this single video. It's a dummy profile, and I would like to edit the caption for this. So what I need to do is there is this trick that I would have to download the video first by going on the three dots on the right side of the screen, right below the save button. What I need to do is click on the three dots, and what will happen is this window will pop up, and from here I'll have to save the video. Now once I save the video, what's going to happen is basically the video is going to be downloaded onto my phone, right? And after that, what I need to do is I need to go to the same option and delete the video that I just downloaded. And once it's deleted, now what I need to do is I need to click on it and re-upload it, and basically re-upload it and enter the new caption that I want to add on the video. So I will just select it, and then after that I'll write the caption, and then after that what I need to do is I can just post it on my TikTok. So that's the way that you can edit the caption. There is no other way, because basically TikTok doesn't allow you to edit the caption once the video is posted. So yeah, that's pretty much it from this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment if you have any question, and yeah, subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.